Hello friends and viewers, my name is Gurpreet Kaur. I am your IELTS trainer. How are you? I think you will be fine and I am also very good. I thank you a lot for subscribing my channel and watching my videos effectively, which motivates me to make these kind of videos in the future as well. And today we are going to talk about the reading question types. We have discussed 8 type of question yesterday, and today I am going to give the other 8 type of questions that are asked in the reading. So let's start with the video, guys. Yesterday we have discussed regarding the 8 type of questions, and today I am going to discuss regarding the other 8 type of questions. 9.1 is complete each sentence with correct ending. In this type of question, they have given the statements by the numbers like 21, 22 question number, and in the box below they have given the endings like 6. If there are 4 questions above, and they are going to give the 6 to 7 endings. For that we have to choose the correct ending, for completing that statement or for completing that sentence, which heading or which ending is suitable. Look at the following statements and list of people below. In this type of things like category, in this the questions are given or the statements are given where some of the opinions of the opinions or ideas of the person are given. We have to match these heading with correct people, correct year, correct people. Label the given diagram below. They have given a kind of diagram, like in the listening section we have given the map. In this kind they have given a diagram that how the processing of water for producing electricity, or parts of a machine, where we have to given the parts by reading the passage given in the previous section. Complete the flow chart below. Flow chart is this kind of question are asked in listening as well. Flow chart where a different kind of statements are given and they have made the arrows among them. We have to complete the fill-ups by taking appropriate words from the reading passage. Like for in the flow chart, they have given a processing of a machine. Processing, like in a company, or in a company there is a machine which is doing a work to complete or to produce shoes. That first of all raw material is collected, after that sorting of raw material, and there is testing of these material. After that shoes are prepared and these are sold to the market. So this is kind of flow chart. Complete the table below. Table is a kind of fill-ups also. In this section we have given a table where years are given, or where the properties of some of the things are given, like for the plastic, this is a non-renewable, this is cheaper. We have to answer the questions like these are also like the fill-ups. After that there are questions. Choose 5, 2 or 3 letters for answer. In the multiple choice question we have to answer one question, like they have given the A, B, C or D options, or A, B, C option. We have to choose one letter. But in these kind of questions we have to choose 2 letters, 3 letters, 4 letters or 5 letters. In this they have given, sometimes they give the one question, we have to choose the 2 letters correctly, like properties of a thing, okay, or the facilities which are provided in a mall or in a premises. 15. Answer the question below. This is also a kind of fill-ups. Answer the question below. They have given questions and they have also given the word limit, not more than 2 or 3 words. just try to focus on this thing. Like if they given that no more than 2 or 3 words, we are unable to write more than 3 words, 4 words, then the answer is going to be wrong. And in the last, choosing a title. This is given in the third section or sometime in the second section, where the title of a passage is not given. In the other passages they have given the title, but in this kind of section they haven't given the title. We have to choose the correct title. This is a multiple choice question, but we have to estimate the title by reading whole paragraph. By reading whole passage, we are unable to give the answer by reading one paragraph only. We cannot do this because this is going to be wrong, because we have to choose a correct heading for the whole passage. So this is end of our today's video, and in the next video I am going to discuss with you that how these questions are asked and how many questions in one whole test and the sequence of these questions. This is end of our today's video. You have learned regarding the 16 type of questions which are asked in the reading sections or reading test in the IELTS, and I think you have learned a lot from this video. In the next video I am going to talk about the sequence of these questions, that how these questions are sequenced in the reading test and how many type of questions are asked in one single reading test. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon by which you will be notified whenever I upload any kind of new video. Thanks for watching my channel and giving me your precious time. Have a nice day, guys.